warm day today, 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So people are out sunbathing. Look at the people sunbathing. Puno. Parting inita. So this is the beach here in San Francisco. And all the way there. So this is our like Rojas Boulevard sa Pilipinas. So I think a mile or two long from there, Cliff House, all the way to the other side. So this is the view sa Katanaw, pero at the back it's massive parking lot, and the one next to the parking lot is Golden Gate Park. Kainit. So we'll be going, meeting some friends over there. Wala pa lang ako. Ay mini picnic. So hopefully na-attend kay pating inita. Again, this is Elad at Elad's Recreation here at the beach at San Francisco Ocean Beach. So probably frisbee later and volleyball. And see you guys till my next short vlog. And people, look at those surfers there waiting for the big wave. There's one. Oops, wala. Okay guys, see you. Share, love, and be kind.